time has come due to change the pollen filter on the Mustang. So I've got one here. The Motorcraft FB78. I think it was around £16 in the UK. Quite expensive for what it is. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Literally just a bit of card made in the USA. CSA. See if it will focus. There we go. Smells like card. I expect this to have some sort of charcoal coating. I know a lot of the BMW filters tend to have charcoal or carbon to, you know, filter out the bad smells, but this doesn't. So this is something I've not come across. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna grab the tools and we're gonna go ahead. As far as I'm aware, the US and the UK have the same way of changing these. So whereas ours, because our steering wheel is on the right side of the car, on the left side where the steering would be for the Americans is where our glove box is, and it's just located behind the glove box. So I'm just going to grab some tools. I'll show you guys the tools that I need, and or you will need as well to change this, and we'll get this changed. Save you some money, breathe some fresh air, keep this virus at bay. As you can see, my steering wheel is on the right side. To do this, you simply open the glove box. There's a little tab here, you see. You flick that up, pull it out, and then there's this tab here, you see there, and another one there. So you sort of have to need to do this with both hands, and this should drop down just like that. So these are the tabs which you push in, and it just hangs there. Now the pollen filter is located behind this carpet tab. So I'm just going to set the camera up and get the screwdriver that I need, and we'll get this done. It's supposed to be a little bit awkward, but we'll get it done. So it's a T20. I have one of these torque wrenches with a handy torch because it just lights it all up in there, and we're just gonna get on with it. Well, that's not good. When I'm doing the screw, this little bugger, don't drop it. Oh my God. Let me show what I mean. Yeah. So what happens is that it goes straight down from there and behind this black padding. And then trying to get it out is a nightmare. Luckily, I had this magnetic pole and I was just fishing underneath, and it stuck onto this, and we're kosher. So back to where we were. This is down, taking the thing off the screw, and this is the sort of lid that covers it. Now ideally, I don't really want to take it off because you can see there's a sort of clipped in there, and that looks like a pain to put back in. So but I don't think there's a way around that. So let's have a look. Yeah, so undo this, and then is it going to be easier to go underneath properly? Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back because I think I need both hands. So there we have it, it's out. So it's sort of just, it's hooked in like that. You just literally have to do this motion and it comes off. Now the filter is in here, and I just need to make sure I remember which direction it's come out. Just gonna feed that through from underneath. I think is probably the best way to get it. Let's have a look. I'm just gonna rip it out. I don't really care about this. Woo. That's the filter. So just make it so it has an arrow on it, so it is directional. Now let's see what the Motorcraft one is like. There we go. So there's the arrow on there as well. So make sure you put it back the right way. I just want to do a comparison. So this is the old one. So I've changed mine after about well, I haven't changed it since I got the car new. It was serviced by Ford, but I don't know if the service included this. It might have. I think it should have. So this is about 1.5 years old. I only do about 5,000 miles a year. So, you know, I would say change this yearly. So yeah, and the way it came out was like this. So just to show you guys, just like that. All right. So if I do it this way, so the arrow points downwards. Yep. Just make sure you get that right. Right, I'm gonna put the new one in. See you in a bit. So a useful tip, instead of just going through here, just bring it all down, right? Feed the filter through the bottom. Use this area to pull it out, so two-handed job, and it should just slide in real easy. Just like that. That's it. Now we need the lid right here, and we should be able to put it in. I need some light, and I was using my phone for that, but let's see how easily this goes on. I can't see nothing, so I'm gonna have to come back and show you guys. One in, the other one needs to go in. So let's have a look. There we go. That's it. So just get this one in, and just a little bit of finicking around, and the far one will go in by itself. Now the key part, we don't want to make the same mistake again and drop the screw. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this sucker back for now. Excellent. And I'm gonna get my hoodie, and I'm gonna chuck it under there. So just gonna shut this first. So I get this. I'm just gonna put my hoodie under there. Like so. Trust me, it's not fun. Looking for a screw under there somewhere. So I'm just gonna open this now and try and put the screw in. So for this, I'm gonna remove the bit and try and do this. To be honest, I'm gonna get the camera out of the way. Once burnt, twice shy. Or I should just do it by hand. Let's have a look. Perfect. Just do it by hand to get it started. And to be honest, you could probably just tighten it. Just like so. Perfect. Put everything back. Brilliant. Don't forget to attach this little attachment, which has just completely come off. It's okay, it just has that little tab. So we're just gonna stick that in there. So yeah, just put everything back together. This, put these in, and you're good to go. Just for the sake of neatness. That's it. I think if I didn't get the screw dropped behind the carpet, it would have been a 10-15 minute job. Because of that, it took a lot longer. I had to take apart a bit of my interior. Don't make the same mistake I did. I want to put it out there because most videos don't show this sort of stuff. And I just want to show you guys the used filter and what is inside here, so you can see all the skunk. Yeah. Look at it. Oh my god. Woo! That's one dirty filter. So that's changed. Should have fresh air now. Thanks for watching. I'll give you guys a tour of my workshop one day. That's my ride. Peace out. See you guys in a bit.